My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm super excited for. I got off the wait list for the Boxycharm premium box, so I am going to be boxing the Boxycharm premium box for the month of January. So if you would like to see what I got and how it compares to regular Ipsy or regular Boxycharm or Box Deluxe, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let me get the deets on the Boxycharm Premium. So the Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. It says the value is over $175 compared to the regular Boxycharm, which says to have a value of over $125. And you get 6 to 7 items, and in the regular Boxycharm you get 5. So let's see what I got. The theme this month is breaking the ice. Okay, I always like miss the choice day, so I didn't get to choose anything this month. But I did get what I would have chosen. So the first product is this Too Faced Cosmetics Sugar Peach Face and Eye Palette. So it says Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. Oh wait, is this the one I wanted? So it says these 4 pearlescent powders deliver one swipe payoff, seamless wear, and treat your face and eyes to new levels of radiant dimension. Use palette wet or dry to create limitless looks. Well, you gotta love Too Faced packaging. Like, look at that. It has little peaches for the opener. Ugh. So this retails for $44. Ooh. It has a really nice mirror. Super pretty. So it looks like we got some blushes, and then is this a highlight? But this one down here, Peach Pop, oh my gosh, that looks so gorgeous. Oh, it's like kind of a duochrome rose gold. Oh, I'm super, super excited for that. Okay, the next product is this Skin Effects, where's my thing? Resurface and Glycolic Renewing Scrub. Okay, buff your skin to smooth. Glycolic Renewing Scrub is a double-duty chemical peel plus body polish that retexturizes and smooths the appearance of crepey, rough, and bumpy skin. Okay, this retails for $40. Before you turn on your shower, dry rub this creamy non-drip scrub onto dry skin. Active glycolic and lactic acids act as a peel to loosen dead skin cells, while biodegradable bamboo polishers gently exfoliate to reveal the smoother, softer skin beneath. Used to cleanse all over the body for nourished skin with a silky, soft feel. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. It's a body scrub. It's really big too. It's 8 ounces. Wow. I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna try this. I just got off work. I'm gonna try this before I take a shower. Ooh. Oh my god, you guys. The next product I can't even believe is in here. This is like... Oh my god. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. A hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow, with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is like hands down my favorite like makeup product, like probably of all time. I love this product so much. I have a review of it here. I fell in love with it the day I got it. I use it like so often, and it's not cheap. So, oh my gosh, it does retail for $54. This is the bomb, like thebomb.com. All right, the next product is, okay, this Kat Von D Lolito eyeshadow. So Lolito eyeshadow is a triple milled and insanely pigmented in her signature matte eyeshadow formula for a soft, seamless blend every time. Rock a rosy eye and top it off with Lolita lip for the ultimate monochromatic look. So this retails for $19. I mean, it's a pretty color. It's just like, I love my ColourPop eyeshadows, to be honest. And like, I have a lot of colors in there that I would probably prefer to wear over this. But I'll put it in the giveaway. This retails for $19. I don't remember if I said that or not. Okay, the next product is St. Luxe Beauty Eyeliner Trio. A perfect trio, a mix of your three must-have liners in bronze, nude, and black. St. Luxe is bringing you a budge-proof, gel-based liner that glides on effortlessly and lasts all day. Okay, so this retails for $55. Wow, for 3 eyeliners. So they better be like really good eyeshadows for that. So yeah, you have a brown, a black, and a nude. Let's see what the brown looks like. I love me a good brown. Oh, I also do like that it's sharpenable. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's actually not a brown, it's a bronze like it says. It's really pretty. Okay, and the last product, oops, this $1 Billion Brows Bestseller Kit. Transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use the Universal Brow Pencil to sculpt your desired look. With the Brow Duo Pencil, highlight the brow bone for an instant lift and define with concealer above the brow. I actually already got this. Yeah, they already sent me this in a Boxycharm like a couple months back. But this retails for $42. I've actually been using the products and I really do like it. So it's definitely a good brow products. So let me see what the total retail value is. I still can't believe that Farsali primer is in here. Like, aha, it's crazy.